Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a RedMagic 10R and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So before we'll start, just a quick disclaimer, because this operation, this method is, I would say, the easier one. So it will not completely turn off the apps which are really running in the background, and those which are not shown in the recents. So for that you need an advanced option using the settings. So I believe you can find the video about that on our channel. So to turn off the background apps which are in the recents, we have to obviously open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with the square icon, and if you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here. So it should be quite a long gesture. After releasing the finger, here we've got the resets. And of course, if you want to, you can close them one by one manually, just by swiping them up. But if you've got a lot of apps opened and you don't want to waste your time on just swiping them up, then just tap on this X button right here. And we will go back to the homepage, and after entering the recents, we can see that we've got no recent items. We cannot actually enter them, which means that we just successfully turned off all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.